Miles van der Rohe, one of the most influential architects on the international style, once said, "Less is more." Frank Gehry is a postmodern architect of the 21st century, said, "Architecture should speak of its time and place, but lean for timelessness." People ask me if I'm an architect or an artist, but I think they're the same. Gehry, born in Toronto, Canada, in 1929, likes to do some wild designs. He uses software originally designed for our aerospace industry to design his buildings, which are hard to describe and I bet harder to draw and still harder to do. This is the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain. This masterpiece really makes people argue if it is the most forward-thinking design of our recent history. It got to the point where 1 in 10 visitors in Bilbao was there to see the building, not the art in it, but the building itself. Pollution and traffic has also greatly worsened in Bilbao because tourism has increased significantly. This initial tribute to thinking software to the next level lab building has designed on the campus of MIT. Usually, an architect describes a building by showing 4 main elevations: north, south, east, and west. Sometimes they also draw elevations that are tucked or in on an angle these 4 cardinal directions. Now, the thing about Gehry's buildings is that they cannot easily describe with 4, even 8 exterior elevations. You have to draw about 20 or 25 elevations. What disturbs people the most these days about Gehry, the swooping, bizarre, curvilinear forms that really took everyone's breath away in Bilbao, are now a signature, but not a signature of a piece of art. It's the same set of sloops and whoops and points from the same look. You can go, "Oh yeah, that's Gehry's." Like he used copies and pasted parts of those drawings. So that's what he is hated. But you have to also give it to Gehry for taking a leap of faith using really advanced software. While most architects move back and forth from going from AutoCAD to Revit, so we have at least respect him for being willing to experiment and learn how to use new software. And along these same lines, Gehry uses his software fully to help the contractor build his build. So in conclusion, he might be hated and he might be loved. Some people say that his inspiration has run out of him. But what we are sure of is that anywhere one of his buildings is built, everybody in the architecture world turns their eyes on him. He doesn't build buildings, he builds landmarks. Anywhere he postures people has on him. He always gives us something to talk about.